Revision alphabet practice. Look at the picture and say A for apple, ant, aeroplane. B for ball, bell, butterfly. C for cat, cap, calf. D for doll, dog, duck. E for egg, elephant, eye. F for fish, fan, flower. G for girl, grapes, gate. H for hen, hand, horse. I for igloo, ice cream, ink pot. J for jug, jeep, joker. K for king, kite, kettle. L for lock, lion, lamp. M for moon, monkey, mango. N for net, nose, nest. O for owl, onion, orange. P for pencil, peacock, parrot. Q for quill, quilt, queen. R for rose, rabbit, rubber. S for sun, sheep, snake. T for toy, tiger, tree. U for utensil, umbrella, uniform. V for van, vase, violin. W for wall, whale, whistle. X for Xmas tree, X-ray, xylophone. Y for yak, yacht, yo-yo. Z for jeep, zero, zebra.